Hi guys, my name is Moses. I'm a certified digital marketing professional who has a vast knowledge in the digital media landscape with experience and certification in web development, digital strategy development, Google Ads campaign, community management, as well as analytics. I'll be an instructor for this course and I'll be taking you on search engine optimization. Have you ever wondered how some websites appear on the first page of Google or other search engines when you search for certain keywords or key phrases? The results are attributed to search engine optimization. And if you have always desired to learn search engine optimization but have no idea on where and how to begin, then this guide is what you need to begin with. At its core, search engine optimization is all about using optimized web content so that a search engine accepts to show your website as a top result for searches with certain keywords. SEO for Beginner course gives you all the information you need as a beginner and also be guided through active practices that will build you well on your way to becoming a savvy SEO specialist. In this course, you will learn about domain name and domain extensions, how to host locally within target countries, how to submit your website to search engines, how to set up Google Analytics for your website, how to set up Alexa accounts for your website, how to generate good keywords, choices of keywords, locations, types of services, what keywords your competition are using, names of competitors, synonyms, Google keyword suggestions, how to use keywords and key phrases as domain names or domain extensions URL, how to place keywords in page titles, how to use keywords generously in composing your page text, how to place keywords in meta description, meta tags, how to add your company to Google Maps, addresses in target areas, how to add title tags and alternative text or alt text to images using keywords, how to add keywords on external websites and hyperlink those keywords or key phrases, how to create daily updates on blogs on each product, how to submit company's websites to numerous directories and yellow pages, how to submit articles on various blogs and forums. Join me as we explore this course together in ensuring your website rank on Google and other search engines.